Hello.
Hi!
Ikaw si Eliza, di ba?
Yes.
May problema ba?
No. I just want to say na I'm so happy for you. Yay! And maybe ikaw na nga talaga yung the one.
Ewan ko. Sana.
No. Kilala ko siya. And I can see it in his eyes na iba. Iba talaga. Hindi ko nakita yun before. And it's good to know na he's doing well. May job na siya. Yay! Hindi na siya mangungutang. Sabihin mo sa kanya may utang pa siya sa akin.
Oh, totoo ba?
Just kidding. Yeah. Alagaan mo and see you around.
Okay, ingat.
Hi, honey.
Hi, tita.
Where's your mom?
Nasa bahay po.
How will you get home?
Magko-commute po ako.
You make sabay with us na lang pa uwi.
Ay, tita, wag na po.
No. Your house is on the way to our house naman so it's no problem. Tsaka rush hour na. May hirapan ko umuwi. Sige. Come on, get in. So, how's your day?
Ang hirap po ng long test sa math.
Long test. Eliza, long test. Did you study? Yes. Nako ha, I did not see you study last night. Alam mo, we hired a tutor for her para sa math, pero wala pa rin.
Mom!
Anyways, I'm hungry na. Let's drive through ha. You want burger and fries?
Okay lang po.
Mom, I want large fries. No. Just regular fries. I saw you eat large fries last night. Watch what you eat. Let's go. What is the symbolism of the flower in the story? Yes!
Love?
Not quite. I'm talking about the flower. Okay? The flower that the main character loves to hold. Yes!
Innocence
Innocence of what? Innocence of what? You're almost there.
of the world.
I heard it. I heard the answer. Raise your hand. Don't be shy. Yes.
Innocence of the child.
Innocence of the child. Exactly. That is what the flower represents. Ma'am?
Yes!
Ma'am, paano po pag wala pong sagot sa number 8?
Bonus na yan!
Quiet na! Ma'am, paano?
Yes, Iha.
Ma'am, paano po pagtapos na?
Ang aga pa. Review your answers. Ay, ma'am. Kunin ko lang po yung...
Ano mo na yung sasabihin?
Ay, good morning po.
Oh. Good morning, teachers!
Good morning, teachers.
Next time, ha? Bago ka pumasok sa faculty room, kumatok ka muna. Tapos, mag-good morning ka sa mga teachers.
Sorry po.
Ha? Naintindihan?
Yes po.
Okay. Oh, anong kailangan mo?
May pinapakuha lang po si Sir Chris.
Oh, andun yung table niya. Go! Yes!
Ma'am, naguguluhan po ako sa number 8.
Oo. Basahin mo ulit yung question. O, ang sabi, which of the following is not divisible by 4? O, alin dyan?
A po ba? D?
Mm.
C po? B?
I don't know. Ikaw yung nagtitake ng exam. Class, last 5 minutes.